Hi, this is Flash, and today I want to build a windbreaker for the camera so that you can film outdoors without the wind noise. An idea by Jeff Peters from Vancouver, BC, Canada. I just follow his idea and you can see in his video how he started it. So this is my faithful camera, the Kodak PlaySport ZX5. There's the microphone, you see those little tiny dots. This is the microphone. Here we've got the so-called power strips, adhesive tape. So we cut a little bit. Here we are. And another bit here, and this is a dust thing, and I think it is fluffy enough for our purpose. And now we put this on the adhesive tape, and there is the little microphone. It looks a bit strange, but we will test it in the field now. So, this is my camera with the windbreaker. And this is my other camera without the windbreaker. So you could hear the difference, but the weather is really crappy. A crappy weather in Berlin, Alexanderplatz, near our famous TV tower. The weather is like shit. But the people are happy. They have their festivity, spring festivity, although one cannot see very much of spring. Should be called a rain festivity. Water, water everywhere. Oh, an umbrella found its end. And more crap. And Asia food and Cameroon food. So everyone is happy here.
Je n'ai qu'une philosophie, être accepté comme je suis, malgré tout ce qu'on me dit. Je reste le point levé, pour le meilleur comme le pire. Je suis médias, ce n'est pas parti, j'avance le plus léger, mais toujours le point levé. Lever la tête, tomber le bras, sans être doublé d'efforts. La vie ne m'en laisse pas le choix, je suis là ce qui va le faire. De nouvelles, livre de bons, toutes ces injures et ces sons. La vie ne m'en laisse pas le choix, je suis là ce qui va le faire. Viser la lune, ça ne me fait pas peur, mais mon issue, je prends mon verre, les sacrifices, si je vous en ferai, j'en ai déjà fait, mais toujours le point levé. Viser la lune, ça ne me fait pas peur, mais mon issue, je prends mon verre, les sacrifices, si je vous en ferai, j'en ai déjà fait, mais toujours le point levé. Viser la lune, ça ne me fait pas peur, mais mon issue, je prends mon verre,
Goodbye for now. Flash. With my camera with the windbreaker.